In this dragon workshop, you will learn how to sculpt a dragon from start to finish, and also you will learn many techniques. So I tried to record my sculpting process and I explain everything as much as possible. And after this workshop, if you are a beginner, you will do much better. You know, there are some parts that I only sculpt and I don't talk. Sometimes you can explain sculpting and you should learn by only watching. Guys, there are many secrets and techniques in Zbrush, and in this workshop all of them will be told you, and be sure it will make you a legend of dragon sculptor. So after this workshop, you can create professional sculpts and prepare your portfolio to enter the job market. Now the question is, who can use this workshop? And I should say it is prepared in a simple way for beginners, but higher levels can also improve their knowledge in sculpting just by watching it. This workshop also includes support and all the questions will be answered. And you know guys, it has a money back guarantee. And if you don't like this workshop, you can refund your money up to 7 days after you purchase it. So you can get it without any worries.